Hi! In front of me is Poco F5 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS Launcher. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in iOS Launcher and install this app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, select while using and allow in all pop-ups. So while using, allow. Then close this app and go into Devices Settings. In them, you need to scroll down to access Apps section. Now tap on Manage Apps. Select those three dots at the top right corner and click on Default Apps. Finally, tap on Launcher and click on iOS 1 to apply it. Lastly, tap on Home button and select Got It. So when I do that, as you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, access exactly the same settings, and click on Poco Launcher or iOS 1. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!